If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can format pivot charts in Excel the same way as you format the standard charts in Excel. To format a pivot chart in Excel, first select the pivot chart to format in a worksheet. Then use the available formatting options on the Design and Format contextual tabs in the ribbon to apply the desired formatting to the selected pivot chart. The available formatting options are the same for pivot charts as for standard charts. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.